Hi everyone, welcome back to One Meal a Day Modified. Yes, that's Prince in the background again. God rest his everlasting loving soul. Today I am going to, does the picture look fuzzy? Okay, that's better. So first let's start with what I'm having today for my meal. So today this is all I'm having because I am having one of my favorites, potato gnocchi. Oh my God, so good. I know that there are some vegans out there that are like eating potatoes. You need to try potato gnocchi. You can use a variation of sauces. So if you like cheese, add cheese if that's part of your vegan diet, or if you don't, there are a ridiculous number of amazing mushroom vegetable-based sauces you can have with this instead. But you have to try potato gnocchi. It is, the best ever. It's an Italian thing made with potatoes versus being made with flour-based products. And it's sort of like a pasta, so it's really good. So I'm having potato gnocchi. Mine does have a cheese sauce. And I am also having a piece of T-bone. Wait, is this called T-bone steak. I'm only having part of it. I'm not having the whole thing. And I have some roasted cabbage with shallots. You need to also try this. It is so good. And you can't see the underside of the cabbage, but what I do is I slice it just like you would slice a loaf of bread. Then on the opposite side, this is the back side, I put all of my spices, the shallots, whatever you want to put in there. You can put it on there as long as it's, stuff that you like for seasonings and herbs. Then you roast it. And I add a little bit, just a squeeze of lemon juice to the top. And I roast it with the back side, which is this side, down. And the inside, where you could see like the variation in the leaves, that's up. And then after it's almost completed with its cooking process, you flip it over and let it cook on the back side. And the whole process takes about 30 minutes. It's about 20 minutes on the with the back side down and 10 minutes with the other side up. So good, so tasty, so tender. If you like your cabbage cooked more, just leave it in there a little bit longer and add about 1/4 cup of water, and that will help tenderize it even more. And of course, I am having a jalapeno pepper raw. Yes, that's something that I got from my southern relatives. My father, on his side of the family, we love hot peppers. We will eat them raw. And what we do is you eat a little of your food, you eat a little pepper. It's not a big deal, and peppers are really good for your system. So try it out. Today I am not going to go into a specific topic, but I do have one that's coming up probably tomorrow that you will not want to miss because we are going to the movies at 10:30 tonight. So we're taking a nap after we go for a walk, and I'm going to do some calisthenics and some lightweight training and scrub up, take a nap, and then we will probably get up for a few hours, walk around, whatever, and then go to the movies to finally see Aquaman. So thank you guys for tuning in to One Meal a Day Modified. I hope that you are doing something fabulous today, that you really enjoy. The weather has finally broken here in New England. It was like close to 50 degrees where I live. We just got out of the negative temperatures. So like -10, -9. So that is such a relief, and our dog loved it. So thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel, and remember that health is wealth.